If religious practices conflict with job requirements, to what extent is an employer required to make accommodations? The United States Supreme Court addressed that question in Groff v. DeJoy, as it clarified the scope of Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. When Gerald Groff, a Christian, began working for the United States Postal Service, his position didn't require work on Sundays. The job was therefore compatible with Groff's religious belief that Sundays were reserved for worship and rest. But the Postal Service subsequently contracted with Amazon, agreeing to provide Sunday deliveries. Groff transferred to a more rural office that didn't make Sunday deliveries. But eventually, Sunday deliveries reached that office as well. Because Groff remained unwilling to work Sundays, his deliveries were redistributed to other employees. Groff received progressive discipline, which eventually resulted in his resignation. Groff sued Louis DeJoy, the Postmaster General, arguing that the Postal Service could have accommodated his religious beliefs without undue hardship, and its failure to do so violated Title VII of the Civil Rights Act. The District Court granted summary judgment in the Postal Service's favor, and the Third Circuit affirmed, reasoning that a religious accommodation imposing more than a de minimis cost on an employer constituted an undue hardship. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.